I'm here to talk a little bit more about Office integration. This is between Access and Excel. Not many people know Access. It's a great program, but you can take some things here and you can see that it looks like a spreadsheet. And we're going to go back and forth with this for a second here. And let's say you are going into, give me a second, I toggle between things here. Let's say I need to add some more information to this thing here. We can go here. You can import from a spreadsheet. There's another thing you can also do. You can actually physically copy from the sheet. I'm going to go and open up this file. We have the files. You got to have the data set up completely matching. You can't have column A and B reversed, okay? So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm just going to highlight these rows here, highlight the rows. I do a copy. I go back into Access, click inside here. I could right click. It's not working. I have to highlight the whole row. Paste. You are about to paste 7 records. Are you sure? I will say yes. Very cool. Next thing here, we're going to go into the revenues. This is a query. We did some calculations and we're trying to figure out what we got in revenues each year. So what we can do at this point, I could click it up in this box here, select all. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go into my blank workbook. I'm going to paste. Little funky, not a big deal. What I do, I highlight these columns here, just double click. It has the full width here. I wanted to actually do the thing. It does have a formula here, but if I want to do this here and I have to add other things here, I'm just going to erase this. And all you do is create your Excel formula. This times B2, drag it down. You get the same numbers here. Make it a little wider. Go over here. Double click. Oops. Everything is fitting. I could shrink it down or the font if I need to. It's a large font but this is a nice quick simple way if you have to do a report for somebody. It's not going to alter the Access. It is not linked together.